Hey Andrew, mate. Hope you're well. Thanks again for the long and well-detailed voice note. So anyway, here's the car. Sorry for the delay anyway. Got scaffolding, skip. Had to move my car a few times. But anyway, let's get back to it. Fixing and tinkering. Things ain't looking too good. But yeah, you can let me know what the situation is. Right, so let's go to the collision side first. Jacked it up. Right, so basically, you are right. You know, you do know what you're talking about. I'll give you that. Well, you are a teacher, so yeah, you are the expert. So yep, if you follow this seam along here, it's the arch. This is crumpled. You're absolutely right. We'll go to the other side in a second, and you'll see why. So yeah, this bit's crumpled here. And if you follow it underneath, if you be careful, follow it underneath, you can see there's a crumple impact here, and there's also a bit of a hole here. It's probably crumpled and some of the seam and the welding's come undone. Splat. So yeah, it isn't looking too good, in my humble opinion. And there's a bit of a hole here as well, if you see. So if you zoom out, yeah, so you're right, this is the first bit which you've seen on the pictures. Going underneath, you got the second bit here, and then going underneath you've got the third bit here. It's all squashed. I don't know what, if you feel like this is a significant amount of rust. Just a general conversation anyway. It's pretty interesting once you get underneath and have a look, because yeah, I never would have done this otherwise. It's good to know about your car. And yeah, there's the rust impact there. Anyway, let's go to the other side and I'll show you. So yeah, swing back to this side. So yep, like again, follow the seam here, follow the seam here. This is where it was impacted on the other side through the arch liner. No hole there. Go underneath, it's lovely and smooth. And if you go underneath, oh, I'm going upside down now. If you go underneath here, if you see them holes, everything's flat, smooth, so there's no crumple here. But if you look here, generally seems to be quite a bit of rust, corrosion. I don't know how serious that is, just generally speaking. Yeah, interesting. Pretty heavily corroded, I've got to say. But yeah, that's the situation I'm in right now. So let me know what you think. But yeah, interesting. But look, brand new Bilsteins, top mounts, length for the control arms, the works. You know, a lot of money's gone into this. Car starts absolutely fine on the money. I've taken it for a cheeky drive around the block. But yeah, here's the Golf, by the way. This is my daily driver. That's fine. And if you see across, the insurance company have given me a brand new Audi A5, which ain't too bad. Don't get me wrong, it's nice on the suspension, but Apple CarPlay, but it's not a driver's car, is it? Let's be honest, not a driver's car. But anyway, going back to this, let's just zoom out, go back to normal. Yeah, let me know what you think about that crumple impact. Yeah, I'm not too sure now if it's even worth fixing. If you go to the side here as well, I've done a bit of detail. So here's the wing, and then this has been pushed in. If you can see here, it's been pushed in. Bit of damage on this part. And if you go around to the other side, if you just slightly, even on this wing, it's just touching out. So it probably, if you look underneath, I'm sure there's probably other crumpled areas, only slight adjustments, probably in the middle, in the center. So yeah, personally looking at it, I don't think it's worth fixing. Probably use as a spare parts car. I've been offered from a few people about 1,500 for the car to take it away from my driveway. But yeah, interior immaculate. Everything's like, you know, delicious, clean. You can eat your dinner off this, I tell you. You know, enthusiast, you know, Mercedes-Benz teddy bear. Always got your cloth there, you know. You never know when you need a rag just to clean anything. You know, got a bit of OCD myself. I'm sure everyone has in the classic car field. But yeah, sad times. But a lot of these parts are expensive. I won't keep this video going for too long, but going back to the steering wheel, let's go to the other side, I'll show you. Don't care about that anymore. Even just the steering wheel alone, £500-600. Walnut steering wheel, optional extra from the factory. Expensive. These black interior, very rare for this year. You don't really see many black interiors. They're more grey and cream. Stupid things, you know. Even like these door cards, expensive. You know, it's got the memory seats. Not all of them came with the memory seats. You've even got, not many had them, but in black, you got the rear seats as well. Optional extra. So I might sell the car just entirely for about 1,500. I hopefully could get £2,000, or I could just let it rot on my driveway and just slowly sell the parts. That's what I'm thinking. I might buy a new one. I know what you said in the video, well, your voice message, it is my pride and joy. A lot of money's gone into it. But yeah, that's name of the game, man. But I do agree with you, you know, you shouldn't make your classic car an absolute minter and go to town with things, because things are gonna go wrong, you know. It's yeah, it's good lesson. But yeah, it's about everything's all mint in here. The rear's fine. I've even replaced these soft top windows a few years ago. Brand new plastic windows. Can even look in the engine bay as well quickly before we're done with this video. Another Mark IV Golf owner. Yep, everything's mint in here. I can't really see too much structural integrity on top. It's more underneath and mainly on this side of the vehicle. Engine's fine, engine's sweet. Yeah, bit of a sad time really, but what can I say? Yeah, it's life, you know. Can't be too attached to things, and on to the next journey, I suppose. It's my first ever classic car. Never had one before, so it's, you know, I suppose the first one you are attached to, and you learn a lot as well. You know, you've taught me a lot. The course has taught me a lot. Forums, people, car shows, people have taught me so much, and it's a bit sad times. But yeah, let me know what you think about the car, if it's even worth fixing. Because I've inquired, I can get a new bonnet. I've got a guy in Preston actually, he's got one of these exact same years. He's got a bonnet, he's got a headlight, front bumper, wing. I don't know how much it's going to cost to fix this crumple zone. But yeah, I don't even know how much insurance is going to pay me out, because they probably pay me out only $4-5 grand. I could fix it for 4 or 5. But then is it even worth fixing, because other niggly bits gonna come up, and this and that, and even the rear diff, I don't know if you can see, but the rear diff is slightly leaking, so it needs a new seal underneath the rear diff. Yeah, it's just interesting times anyway, to say the least. But yeah, anyway, let me know what you think, and yeah, get back to me. But yeah, anyway, this is a picture of me, or video of me on my driveway full of grease. But yeah, I bought one of these new things as well. Got it from AliExpress. One of these bad boys. Saves me a lot of time. Only cost me 15-20 quid. And I got a new jack as well from Halfords for about 60-70 pound. 2-ton jack. Big difference. Yep. But anyway, good hearing from you. Let me know what you think. And yeah, all the best.